Something that I learned today, something very true. Life is always changing things, not much you can do. Thought I had it figured out, I thought I was so smart. Now I feel a gentle breeze warming my torn heart. Maybe this defines us all, unexpected grace. How we deal with challenges, staring face to face. I will never be the same, and that's what I'd prefer. Everything that I became is all because of her. I feel for the first time how it's meant to be. I see for the first time what's inside of me. I know that I will make mistakes. I'm hoping that's okay, 'cause more than anything I know, she's changed my world.